Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute snap clips using these velvet snap clip covers from Heartfelt Craft Supplies, and I have some that I've already got made here as well. So there's the grey, I think it's sage or forest, navy, cream and burgundy, and I've also got some half pearls in like a minty green to go with these corded padded embellishments, which I also got from Heartfelt Craft Supplies, and these super cute velvet hearts. These got the metal little back on there as well. Now on this one I accidentally glued mine in the wrong direction, so I've got two clips going the same way instead of them going opposite, so be aware when you're doing this. But these are super simple. They come like this, so you have these little velvet ones. The clip size that I'm using is a little bit smaller than the clip. You can go bigger, but I wouldn't go too much bigger than the size that I'm suggesting, because otherwise it can pull away from this and sort of open it too much, so just be careful. These clips are 30mm or 3cm or 1.5 inches, so depending on which sizing you sort of want. You can do it two ways. You can either use your like seam thrower, pop it in, make sure you don't catch that bottom layer, and do it about 1/2 centimetre from the top, and just go across like that to make it a little there. If you haven't got a seam threader, be very, very careful when you do this. What you need to do is sort of roll it like this, so that your top layer is completely out of the way. So you sort of pinch it up out of the way, and then with your scissors, again about that 1/2 centimetre down, just do a little pinch across so you can just about see it. And then all you need to do is take your clip, pop it open, slip that in and up, and there you go. And the same with this one, pop it open, down, back up, all hidden away. And that's how quick and easy they are to do. And then I haven't got any matching navy because I forgot to get matching navy. I don't think I could find any on the site. And we've got 2 green, swap those over so I don't glue them to the wrong one, because I know what I'm like. Right, now for the metal one, because these have got metal backs, and this is something we should always remember when you're doing things like this. You need to be using the right glues to get the right things to connect to each other. So with this, with my hearts, I use my E8000, or you can use E6000 or like T6000, any of those ones where it's like an adhesive glue, and you want that on the back of your heart. Just going to move this that way so I don't get glue everywhere. Try not to glue every bit of you together and get glue all over your embellishment. And place that on, and then leave that to settle. We'll be a little bit more careful with this one. There we go. It's a little bit more better. You can move around your angles and see where you like them to sit, but I always do one to the left, one to the right. And then if you want to, while you're waiting for them to set, because it takes 24 hours for these types of glues to fully set, so pop a clip or something like that on while you wait for them to fully 100% do what they want to do. Put my lid on the glue so I don't get that absolutely everywhere. Now the cord ones are slightly easier, because for these you just need a little bit of hot glue, and I would suggest doing it on your clip rather than on your bow, because you might put it in the wrong place otherwise. But don't go too overboard. And run that across there. Down told you, I'm going to be careful with the glue. There we go. So that's that one. Do it at a slight angle, or you could do them straight on, however you personally prefer. We'll do a touch less this time. And again, at that same slight angle. There is that one. And then again, I used the T6000 or E8000 for the half pearls onto the, because otherwise they don't set quite as well with hot glue, and also you can put far too much hot glue on and have it go completely messy. And everything such as that. Trying to be careful, because I am clumsy AF. If I'm not careful, you've just seen me with the glue and dropping the heart everywhere. Okay. And you've got super cute little velvet snap clips. You can leave them plain like the blue royal, navy blue set. They don't cost very much at all, and they're perfect to sort of like add as little extras, little extra sets. They're super cute for this time of year, like I said, for Christmas extras and things like that. But there you go, that's how simple they are to use. And like I said, you can use your seam picker, you can use your scissors, just be really careful, and like I said, roll it so you can get that little gap so you can cut it without cutting into the top layer. Obviously you don't want to ruin that bit. Well, thanks for watching everyone, bye.